want to conditionally render an element. So here we have if example, and here we'll see the source code. This is hide message, and this message is conditionally visible using if. And so here it is code. This is component to demonstrate if. This is the component to demonstrate so, and this is for v4. So first we will see if. So here we do toggle so, and this is visible dot value. First it is true, and that it will change to false and true. So here if this will be true, then message will be shown. So I'm doing hide message. I did hide message, and we'll see that this is commented, means this is not present in the DOM itself. And another one is this one. So this is hide message, and this message is conditionally using vso. So first let's look for v if. So here this is toggle so, and what is happening that it is visible is becoming false. So here it is getting false, and this message is becoming disappearing. So this is actually becoming out from the DOM itself. And now we'll see for vso. So vso, what we will do is we'll click hide message, and here we'll see this is display is becoming none. This is display, and this is none. Style is added, and this is here hidden, but this is present in the DOM itself. So this is here we are using vso. So here we will click on the toggle so, and this is this message is conditionally visible using vso. So here first it is true, and after toggle so it is value is changing to true or false. So here it is false here. So what is happening that it is becoming disappearing, but actually this is we are using vso. So here it is adding one property, that is display none. So if is used when we want to conditionally render an element. That means if the condition is false, we will completely remove this element from the DOM. It's perfect when you don't want the element to exist at all unless a certain condition is true. Use if when the condition is rarely true, like showing a success message after form submission. So in that case we can use if. But when we have to randomly means after few times we have to use some conditions that is true and false, like toggle button. So in that case user can click multiple time toggle button, and every time rendering the DOM element is not good. So what we can do is we can use so. If if is slower when toggled, often because it removes and recreates DOM elements. vso is faster for frequent toggling since it only changes CSS. So use if when re-rendering cost is low and toggle is rare, and use vso when toggling visibility often. Now we looked for if and vso. Now we look for v4. So v4 lets you render lists dynamically. It's like a loop that creates a new element for every item in an array or object. So here this is an data, okay, and here what we are doing, we are printing this list here. So using user in users, so and key is user dot id, and we are printing this. So here we are actually always use key to improve performance and avoid glitches when updating lists. So this is recommended that we should use key, because what will happen, let you have so Vue uses a virtual DOM to compare changes and update only what's necessary. When rendering a list, Vue compares the old list to the new one. And here, with a unique key, value knows exactly which item changed, was added or removed. Without a key or using an incorrect one like the index, Vue may reuse or reorder elements incorrectly. So we should not use index as a key, but we have to be ensure that we should use key. With keys, Vue performs a smarter diff. It does not have to guess or rebuild parts of the DOM unnecessarily. If you don't know about Vue Virtual DOM, so I have a video. You can click on the I button and watch that. That will help. So here now we'll look user list. So for every user list we have, this is the data is printed. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to your Superflow.